A hot day to film outside.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
wonder
sure
how
was.
those actors were doing. Today, 97 degrees, that's where we ended up, but the normal's 96. So we actually made it 1 degree above normal, but we were nowhere near the record being 109 degrees. That was back in 2018. That really wasn't all that long ago. Of course, we were rain-free today, not necessarily cloud-free. We did have some high clouds from time to time, but these numbers, get used to them. We're going to be sticking with those upper 90s for quite some time, but the humidity, that will be increasing in the days ahead as well. So when you see these low 100s, that's the heat index that we're expecting for the next 5 days. By the time we get closer to the weekend, we're going to be seeing some dangerous heat, feeling the dangerous heat. It could feel anywhere between about 105 to 110 degrees, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do get some heat advisories by the time that we approach the weekend. So just a good reminder, these are just some heat safety tips and reminders to stay hydrated. Limit your time outdoors. Drink water with electrolytes. That's very helpful this time of year. Take a lot of breaks if you have to be outside. I know a lot of people obviously work outside. You're going to have to take breaks, apply the sunscreen, and don't forget to not leave anyone in the back seat. Check on the pets. Make sure to bring the pets inside. Don't leave them outdoors for a very long period of time. It is just getting to that time of year. It's already hot and it's still warm. This is our Clyde Warren Park camera. We are still in the upper 80s. Right now, the mid 80s in Gainesville, 87 in Fort Worth, 85 degrees in Terrell. Dew points are still in the 60s and 70s. These numbers aren't going to change a whole lot in the next several hours. So even at this hour, it still feels like the low 90s for a lot of us. It feels like 92 degrees in Terrell. It feels like 95 right now in McKinney. Overnight tonight, our overnight lows, they're going to be dropping down into the mid and upper 70s. So it's going to be a warm start to your Tuesday, but a hot end to your Tuesday. 98 is where I think we end up in Dallas. And we have not seen 98 degrees so far this year. 96 in McKinney, 98 degrees in Decatur, 100 tomorrow in Archer City. Satellite and radar, very quiet. We are not expecting to see a whole lot here, not only for tonight, but over the next several days. And what you're going to notice when I show you this national view, the clouds, all the rain, all the thunderstorms, they are kind of circling right around Texas because this is where that ridge of high pressure is. As it moves back to the west over the next few days, it's just going to keep those rain chances away, and it's going to keep those temperatures climbing. We will likely make it again into the upper 90s for the next several days. So for tonight, mostly clear. Mild temperatures drop down into the mid 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be mostly sunny and hot again. 98 degrees. We're going to be staying in the upper 90s for the entire week under partly to mostly sunny skies. Still a little breezy the next couple of days. The second half of your 14-day, we've got upper 90s, but we also have a couple of days in there where we could actually see 100 degrees. That's just the air temperature. So you can imagine what it's actually going to feel like.